Welcome to this fast tutorial that we are starting right away. This tutorial will learn how to start with NodeJS. So we go to the browser and search for NodeJS download. We look for the Windows download. Other operating systems are available as well. Once it is downloaded, we proceed to install. Accept everything and click next to all defaults. As soon as the installation ends, press Finish. Open a terminal and we'll check if the installation was successful. By doing this, the version will be printed indicating all is good. Same with npm, which is our library installation manager. So let's test the real deal with a real program. We go to our repository and look for Node.js scripts. We'll download the file UDP client and server file that we show on our tutorial. See the details in the description. We find a location to put our file. We can create a folder if we want. In the terminal, we change the directory to the file location. We try to run it. And it works right out of the box since all libraries used in the script are available in the core libraries of Node.js. But let's see if we try to use a library that is not. It doesn't compile, so we have to use npm manager to download that library. By doing npm install and write the name of the library, in this case the IP library, that basically is a library that contains Internet Protocol facility tools, you will see that you can find libraries for almost everything. That makes Node.js super easy to use. Now our program compiles. Notice that the library will be downloaded in the same folder under node_modules folder. Now for this particular tool, we will need to allow UDP communications. Go to Firewall Settings, search Node.js JavaScript Runtime. It will be banned. Check to allow it. That's it. You will be able to play around with it, send and receive UDP packages. Please take a look at this tutorial to see how we use it. Have a good one.